What's up guys, I'm Jay, we are here. So we are a quick tutorial with the underground right? And so we have how to make music sign in PowerPoint, right? So we have some stuff right to do that. First off, now we into the here, right there, right? Now we have show you sign right here. We have this thing. Right? So we have So we have it right. So when you put it to one right, we can see it here and click animation and now and click on it. Open, right? In PowerPoint. Right? So you click over here and now let's click over here, copy and paste. We have it here, right? Now we copy and paste again. There it is. So we have now, and that's the final result. Here it is. Oh no, here it is. So we have done this one, right? So we have put it in the right here. And now we sign. Copy and paste. That's what I do. Now copy and paste the slide and to remove the sound, and now we have the automatic is here, right? Let's take a look at this.
Still as a breeze.
So we have it right in the second we have it here the ding 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 ding. Alright, here good, right? So and now it's fun now we are Alright, here he is. There we go. That's better. So we have this one. Now we can do the boot again. There he is. There he is. Now click anything. Click open. There he is. Alright. Now we have this one. Right. Now copy and paste. Now we have to here. Let's show you the fun. I mean sorry, here he is. Now copy and paste. There it is. Now sign here. There it is. So we created us. We have yeah. Now we can copy. We copy slide, paste slide, right? So we have it. Now it's time. Yeah, it's, we have it. Now it's also in the file. So we have on design and PowerPoint. So it's time with it now. So we have it one right say, and we have yeah. So we're poly here, and now I click on that. I click home, and there we have it. And I cancel that. And I click on that. Boom, there it is. Alright, let's click that. There it is. Now we have this next one. This is here. Let's click on that. Edit. On PowerPoint. There it is. Right. So I put this one. Now that's this one. Let's just after that. Alright, here we go. I then click on that. I have it here, right? There we go. Oh my gosh. Yes. There. Okay, so we have it now. And then there he is. Click on this. Edit the version. So here. To the right. Now click share view. There he is. That is. Right? Now we click on this. One. Cloud. Right. Yes. Now take. There we go. Right, here we go. Then right here. Right? So we need that one. Let's get started. Here he is. Let's take a look at the peer view. Here he is.
Still as a breeze, a river flowing deep. Don't wanna leave the air you breathe.
Now,
Living me dreams when I think of you and me. Don't wanna leave the world you see, and I will hold you down if.
now we have to do the fun, right? So we did the legend. So we have that. Now, so that's all. There we go. Right there. And there it is. 1, 2. Copy and paste. Again, there it is. The second solution right here. And now, click, and now click copy, and click paste, right? Or Ctrl plus C, and Ctrl plus V, right? There it is. There you go. Alright, here it is. And now, let's make it this. So next up. Alright, here you go, so right? I have to do all this. Here it is. Here we go. And now, just delete this. Alright, here we go. And there's that. And click on it. And do. There it is, right? There we have it. So we have it. Let's go with this. Now, oh. I forgot this one. There he is. And now and now we have it. There you go, copy, paste. There we go. Here he is now. So we have four. There go. And now here it is. There, right? So we have to edit it. Now we have it. Now so without. So we have this one now. There's a right? We have here I prepare for you now. Here we go. I prepared it now. We go down before we get on. I we already the margin so right? We go with our key. It's all over up, down. That's the left down, left down, left down, left down, right? So we have the left down, then press left and press down. So we have the din, right? There, right? So here is the preview now.
Still as a breeze, a river flowing deep. Don't wanna leave the air you breathe. Living me dreams when I think of you and me. Don't wanna leave the world you see, and I will hold you down if love is still alive. It's unforgiven to my eyes. The tide has turned around. Just listen to the sound. Two hearts beating, beating time. Hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah. It's unforgiven to my eyes. Hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah. It's unforgiven. You and your wicked ways.
So we had a video file. You can just try, right? Alright, here we go.
Still as a breeze, a river flowing deep. Don't wanna leave the air you breathe. Living mirrors dreams when I think of you and me. Don't wanna leave the world you see, and I will hold you down if love is still alive. It's all forgiven to my eyes. The tide has turned around. Just listen to the sound. Two hearts beating, beating time. Hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah. It's all forgiven to my eyes. Hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah. It's all forgiven. You and your wicked ways.
So that's it, right? And there is the end of the tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turning on notification to pass new video. Thanks for watching. I'm Cinefan and peace out.